You are welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be solving this JAMB past question. Given that cos A is equal to 12 divided by 13 for 0 less than equal to A less than equal to 90 degrees, find tan A. Solution. Okay, so I'm going to use a diagram to represent this cos A before we go ahead and find the value of tan A. So it is very clear here that the angle we are talking about here is a right angled triangle. So I'm going to draw a right angled triangle, this here. Okay, so this is in 90 degrees. Now if this place is the angle A that we are talking about, then we are given that cos A is equal to 12 over 13, and you know that cos A is always equal to adjacent, and this one is hypotenuse. Okay, so don't forget that, is very important. Now that will help us. So it means for this triangle that we draw, our adjacent will be 12 and the hypotenuse will be equal to 13. Understood? Now that is for cos A, but the question says we should find tan A. So tan A will be equal to, don't forget, tan A is opposite over adjacent, but if you look at this opposite now, there is no value is there. So I'm going to quickly make use of Pythagoras theorem to find this third side of the triangle. So hypotenuse, the Pythagoras theorem states that the hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So hypotenuse is 13 squared equal to the opposite squared that we want to find, then plus adjacent is 12 squared. So 13 squared is 169 equal to the opposite squared plus 12 squared is 144. Okay, so when you collect the like terms, so we have our opposite squared to be equal to 169 minus 144. Okay, so subtract 144 from 169 will give us 25. So when you take the square root of both sides, so our opposite will be equal to, our opposite will be equal to 5. So meaning that this side now is 5. So we can now go ahead and find the value of tan A. Tan A is opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, so my opposite now from the diagram is 5 divided by the adjacent is 12. So and that is the values of tan A. Now, if you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button now, like this video, and please share it so that it can reach others. Thank you. See you in the next video.